Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put on glasses properly. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional easy video. Alright, so without further ado, without repeating the same words over and over again for the intro of this video, let's show you and tell you how to put on glasses the right way. Easy instructions. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have glasses. I've been wearing glasses since grade 2, so I am like fluent in putting on glasses. And there's you can put them on, like I could just go like this, right? Like that, sure, why not? Yeah, but that's not the right way to do it. That's not the proper way. I'm going to show you the proper way. So I'm going to take these glasses off. I'm going to fold them up. This is the starting point usually. Generally speaking, most people will have their glasses folded. So what you want to do is you want to open them up. Now don't just mangle them and open them up. You want to slowly, okay, one arm at a time, whatever arm is on top. This arm is on top. Carefully open it up. This other arm is on the bottom. Open that one up next, okay? So that's obviously you want to open the arm that is accessible first and then the remaining arm next. Once you have your glasses like this, you want to hold them, okay, by the hinges here, and I'll tell you why, okay? Not directly on the hinges, because the hinges might open and close like this as you're putting them on, right? They might spring open a little bit more depending on the size of your head, and you don't want to like get your skin caught in the hinge or anything like that, or your finger caught in the hinge, because it won't really hurt that much, but it's like, you want to avoid any sort of, oh man, that hurts a little bit, any moment like that, okay? So just grab them right after the hinges. Here are the hinges right here, okay? Right after the hinges over here. So I'm not on the hinge, I'm just after the hinge. You're gonna take them, you're gonna line them up, okay? And you wanna place them on your head with the arm a little bit upwards. So like this. You're gonna place them on your head and your face with the arm a little bit upwards like this. Once you're in this situation right here, then you can sort of bring them down and hook the arm over your ear like this as you bring them back. So back and down like this, back and down. There you go. You might give them a little adjustment like that, and you're golden. That's how to do it. Now I'll show you a little bit faster. So I'll take them off, okay? Once again, this is how you put on glasses properly. Open the accessible arm and then open the remaining arm. Grab them just after the hinges. Bring them on towards your face in sort of an upward angle like this, and then hook them back and down, like backwards and down at the same time. Just sort of like this. There you go. Give them a little bit of an adjustment. I usually just go like this, and that's it. And it basically just adjust them in place. They just rest nicely, but you can adjust them with your fingers, and that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below, some comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.